Hello, my name is Matthew Stillwell, and I thought I'd challenge myself today by playing the Stamina Challenge on page 24, right at the back of the book, of the second books in the Hothouse drumming curriculum. So, there are 4 lines. This is the first time that we're playing 4 lines consecutively. It's with the idea of trying to gear us up for the great pieces that we'll be learning after this book. So, let's get stuck in. I'm going to play at a nice consistent speed so that I know that I can keep the same speed because it's a stamina challenge. So, here we go. There we go. That's the Stamina Challenge on page 24 of books 2 from the Hothouse drumming curriculum. I think I'm now ready for some grade pieces. So, I hope this has been helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to go start learning some grade pieces.